Mark and Mandy. It's actually very easy to remove stains from coffee mugs and teapots. Sprinkle a little bit of baking soda into your coffee mug, add a little bit of water to create a paste and scrub it out. Rinse it out like you would. Another method is to take a gallon of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of bleach, and just soak your mugs. Then again, wash it like you would. This is the way to sparkling mugs. We have a great way to get the ring off of your toilet. The ring around your toilet is actually hard water buildup. If there's lots of it, we recommend using a pumice stone. Make sure that you soak your pumice stone for at least 10 minutes so it softens, and just rub it off. If it's not hard water buildup, just use a little bit of bleach in your toilet bowl. But please make sure do not mix it with anything else. This is a very relevant topic right now. Cleaning is actually removing the debris from the surface, so think of it like crumbs or oil or anything like that on the surface. Sanitizing will reduce the bacteria on the surface, and disinfecting will actually kill all the bacteria and viruses on the surface. You just need to make sure that you let your product sit for the allowed dwell time. Thank you, Mark and Mandy. Now we all understand the differences.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.